This video illustrates how to add, edit or delete your account with Excel skills. So after logging into the data analytics section of our website, you'll be redirected to the user settings page where there's an account section which enables you to add an account, edit your existing account or delete your account. So accounts are added for each new business. So for the same business, you wouldn't add an account for a new subscription, you'll just add a subscription. If you want to take out a subscription under a different business name, you'll use the add account button and then be redirected to the subscriptions page of our website where you can pick the subscription that you want to sign up for, and then part of that process is entering your account details, which will effectively create a new account. So the second option is the gear icon where you can edit your account details. If you click the icon, you can enter your full name and email address of the admin user. You can enter your billing name, billing address, VAT number and select your country. Then just click the update button to update your account details. I'm not going to do it now, just going back to the user settings page. And then the last option is to delete your account. So if you click the delete account icon, the trash icon, you'll get a message indicating that you're about to close your account. So if you proceed there, you might get an error. And that error basically indicates that you haven't cancelled your subscriptions. You must first cancel all subscriptions linked to the account before you'll be able to close your account. So I'm going back now to the user settings, and that's basically it. Those three options are the only ones for your account details.